deep cleaning and motherboard replacement on desktop PC. Thank you, Sir Andre, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Deep cleaning a desktop PC is a smart and proactive move, as it removes dust and debris that can cause overheating, system slowdowns, and hardware damage, helping to improve airflow, maintain performance, and extend the overall lifespan of the computer. The reason for the motherboard replacement is that the desktop has no power symptoms causing it not to turn in. Turns out the motherboard was causing the issue. Agreed to have it replaced. We recommend a Biostar B450M motherboard since its processor is Ryzen 5 2600. The Biostar motherboard is a good and reliable choice, especially for users seeking a cost-effective yet capable solution for their desktop builds. Known for offering stability and essential features and affordable price point, Biostar motherboards are well suited for general computing tasks, office work, light gaming, and everyday use. While they may not carry the premium features found in high-end boards, Biostar still delivers dependable performance and compatibility with a wide range of processors and components. For customers looking to get solid functionality without breaking the bank, choosing a Biostar motherboard is a practical and smart decision that balances performance, value, and reliability. Deep cleaning and motherboard replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your unit be serviced. To follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.